In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on DIA future while talking about the DIA cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything especially is a difficult errand, sort of, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like DIA. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the DIA value expectation and answer questions in the event that DIA is a by and large wise venture or not. For what reason will DIA succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will DIA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what DIA is and its to-date history. DIA value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. When essentially add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon generally is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This most certainly is reflected in our 2023 forecasts, which is very huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and sort of alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will, in every practical sense, begin to do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many times in the far-off and sort of later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We generally expect whales and other essentially greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Or so they thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task in an unobtrusive manner. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other genuinely restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which certainly is genuinely critical. 2023-01-26 plus 3.68% $0. 3534-2023-01 27 plus 7.93% $0. 3678-2023-01 28 plus 7.62% $0. 3668-2023-01 29 plus 5.85% $0. 3608-2023-01 303.17% $0. 3300-2023-01 31 plus 6.02% $0. 3613-2023-02 01 1.90% $0. 3343-2023-02 02 4.14% $0. 3267-2023-02 030.47% $0. 3392-2023-02 044.15% 32 cents DIA value expectation 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance truly thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we most certainly take the inner crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 certainly isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls incredibly. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to basically slip sort of lower with every minor market quake, which is genuinely huge. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the in every practical sense. Last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 10.96% $0. 3034. 2023 blemish 25.30% $0. 2546. 2023 APRA 24.67% $0. 2567. 2023 May 20.52% $0. 2709. 2023 June 15.42% $0. 2883. 2023 Joel 13.58% $0. 2945. 2023 AUG 8.20% $0. 3129. 2023 SEP plus 1.07% $0. 3445. 2023 OCT plus 3.85% $0. 3539. 2023 NOF plus 6.49% $0. 3629-2023 DEC plus 13.68% $0.3874 2024 Jan plus 17.60% 40 cents DIA value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040 our forecast model sees DIA arriving at new highs in 2025. 88 cents DIA cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be 2 or 3 significant degrees basically higher than our 2025 forecast. Or so they thought. What DIA will especially be worth in 2030, which is very huge. Our determining model sees DIA coming to $0 in 2030 in a significant manner. What DIA will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees DIA coming to $0 in 2040, which really is genuinely huge. Will DIA supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, DIA won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could DIA at any point generally reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for DIA to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. How high will DIA go in a really significant manner? Our estimating model sees DIA cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, or so they thought. Is DIA kind of worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for DIA in an essentially significant manner. It is especially worth purchasing just as a transient theory with a decent leave methodology, which is very critical. DIA is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is DIA a wise interest in a kind of enormous manner? DIA is definitely not an excellent interest as we would see it, which is very critical. Why amazingly? Indeed, it faces a wild rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't in a real sense stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, and the group behind the undertaking is problematic in a significant manner. Might DIA at any point make you a mogul in an exceptionally significant manner? No, DIA cannot actually cause you a tycoon as we don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will DIA be worth? For the essentially transient future, it could reach 21 cents. In the long haul, it will doubtlessly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will DIA succeed and get more expensive, which is genuinely huge? DIA explicitly has a remote possibility of succeeding. It for the most part has no first-mover advantage. It brings no extraordinary offer. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls DIA to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. What is the kind of momentary expectation for DIA? Or so they thought. DIA will reach 21 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost which floats around 34 cents. DIA value forecast today. What will be the cost of DIA tomorrow? DIA will really float around 36 cents tomorrow. When to sell and leave DIA? That relies upon your exchanging profile in an unpretentious way, in the event that you for the most part trust in DIA and in every practical sense think it has a brilliant future. Holding the coin for essentially 2 or 3 years is a generally excellent thought. Taking benefits on wise speculations, all things considered, is a surprisingly better thought, which explicitly is genuinely critical. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100-200% or significantly more acquires on your DIA, changing out a piece of the assets is certainly not a terrible move. Might DIA at some point crash?